Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use HotspotShield VPN, the fastest VPN for streaming, gaming, and secure browsing. Whether you want to access restricted content, protect your privacy on public Wi-Fi, or enjoy buffer-free streaming, HotspotShield has you covered. Let's get started. First, download HotspotShield from your device's app store or the official website. Install the app, open it, and sign up for an account if needed. Once installed, you'll see the main dashboard. To activate the VPN, simply tap the Connect button. HotspotShield will automatically choose the fastest server for you. You'll see a confirmation that says you are connected, along with your connection time. Want to access content from a specific country? Tap Virtual Location and pick from over 117 locations, including the US, UK, and more. Need fast streaming? Select a server optimized for Netflix or YouTube. Auto. For general browsing, speeds up to Gbps. Streaming for smooth Netflix and YouTube. Gaming for lag-free Fortnite or Roblox. Just tap your preferred mode for the best experience. Curious about your connection speed? HotspotShield shows your real-time download speed, like this 98.1 Mbps test. You'll also see performance ratings for streaming, browsing, and gaming. All rated excellent here. For extra security, check out Settings. Smart VPN lets you exclude certain apps from the VPN. Internet Kill Switch blocks traffic if the VPN disconnects. Trusted Wi-Fi avoids VPN on safe networks. VPN protocol is best left on auto for optimal performance. And that's it. With HotspotShield, you get fast, private, and unrestricted internet access anywhere. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing safely, this VPN has you covered. Try it today and enjoy the internet without limits. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe online, and see you next time.